In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your workspace to the saved default layout if your panels have drifted out of place, a window has gone missing, or your screen feels cluttered and unfamiliar. This quick reset will bring everything back to the clean, organized view you started with without touching your projects or media. First, open the Workspace menu. Look to the very top of your screen for the menu bar. Click on Window, then hover over Workspaces. This is where all the different workspace presets live, tailored for specific tasks. You'll see options like editing, color, and audio, along with any custom views you might have created. If the window menu is grayed out or nothing happens, make sure the application is active and in the foreground. Next, choose the workspace you want to reset. Click the name of the workspace you're currently using. For example, editing if you're cutting a timeline, or color if you've been grading. Selecting it here confirms that this is the layout you intend to restore. It's a good moment to take stock of what's out of place. Maybe a panel is docked where it shouldn't be, or a tool is hidden, so you'll immediately notice the difference after the reset. Now restore the layout. Go back to the top menu bar, click Window, move to Workspaces, and select Reset to Saved Layout. Depending on your version, you might see a brief confirmation prompt, approve it, and the app will snap everything back to the original arrangement for that workspace. Panels return to their default positions and sizes, toolbars reappear where expected, and any accidental undocking or resizing is cleared. This action does not affect your media, timelines, settings, or project files. It only resets the visual arrangement of panels. Once the reset completes, take a quick glance around. The timeline area, viewers, bins, color tools, mixers, and any other panels associated with that workspace should now be in their standard locations. If you notice that nothing changed, that usually means the layout was already at its default, or you were in a different workspace than you thought. To recap, you opened the Workspace menu from Window, selected the workspace you wanted, and chose Reset to Saved Layout to restore the default arrangement. It's a simple fix that can save you time, reduce clutter, and keep your focus on the creative work instead of hunting for missing panels. Thanks for watching, and enjoy working with a clean, predictable workspace.